Tandoori chicken. This is another recipe making use of the chicken marinated in curry and yogurt. It's so simple. All you need to do is add vegetables and steam the marinated chicken in the microwave. It's perfect for dinner. Take out the marinated chicken from the fridge, then leave at room temperature for 20 minutes. Slice the vegetables. For the kabocha pumpkin, cut it in half horizontally, then slice thinly vertically with about 1 cm thickness. For the red bell pepper, remove the seeds and head, then slice into strips with about 1 cm thick. Place the chicken and vegetables in a microwave-safe bowl with the chicken on one side and the vegetables on the other. Cover or wrap with a microwave-safe cling wrap, then cook for 10 minutes using 600 watts in the microwave. Take out from the microwave, then mix the chicken. Place in a serving plate, then you can serve.